What is up guys, welcome back to another new video. This video, let's see how to enable custom ringtones in Samsung mobiles. For this, go to settings in your Samsung mobile, scroll down and here you can see an option called sounds and vibration. Click on it. And here you can see an option called ringtone. Click on the ringtone. Actually I selected the custom ringtone. As you can see, I selected the Sherlock Holmes. And if you want, these are the default ones which comes in your mobile. Myself, I'm having Samsung S20 FE 5G mobile. That's why I'm having this much of and plenty of ringtones. If in case you want custom ringtones, just here you can see an option called plus. Click on the plus and here you can see bunch of tracks. In my case, I don't have any songs downloaded in my mobile. If you're having any audio files or downloaded songs in your mobile, you can see the songs list here. And also one more option is there in this one. It is the play selected highlights only. If you enable this option, if you select any song from the list below here, the only highlighted part like the beats or only targeted part, it will play as your ringtone. If you turn off this, the entire song will play from 000 to end. So this is how you can set the custom ringtones in your mobile. I hope this video is really helpful for you. If you think this is very helpful, then click that like button and also don't forget to subscribe this Tech Bunny channel for more interesting tech related videos. I recently posted a video on how to enable or disable the edge lighting in Samsung mobiles. If you missed that video, here is the video, click and watch that. And also I'm showing you some of the videos that I did in Samsung mobiles. If in case you are a Samsung lover, I hope these videos will also make a sense and interested for you. Thanks for watching and I will catch you in the next one.